Everybody, this is BJ and Babe. Changing lanes, you know me. What are you trying to do? Where are you trying to go? The life is short. I'm in one of the little amenities facility rooms here. We have our vending machines down there, our 7-Eleven in our building. I can get extra snacks and drinks at night, any time of the day. Any type of cough medicines, anything. And we came down today to see about the extra tissue I can get. And water. In our condo here. All you do is make a payment with scan. We also have a fast print machine here. And as I push through the other side, I also have another laundry area. Here go the jugs of water, the big water, 58 type I. You can get your water, hit the water refill station, 24 hours. And then the little laundry room. Make a selection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Cock and Cup.